You're most welcome to our free online school, SkillBridge Institute. We'll be discussing Introduction to Project Management. Whenever you've got a project, either as an individual or an institution, and you want to manage it, the following are the things that you're supposed to do. Number one, you need to plan for that project. Then you need to organize the resources, whether human, financial, as well as material resources, and manage them as you are executing your project. You also need to set the deadlines to say my project is going to start on this date and is going to end on this date. Once you do that one, you need to understand that your project is going to be done successfully. Let's have an overview of project management. In phase one, you identify a need which is going to prompt you to come up with a project. Because without a problem, there cannot be a project. Number two, you are establishing feasibility. You are trying to say, am I going to manage this project which I'm thinking about? Then you look for alternatives to say, apart from the project which I'm thinking about, is there any other thing that I can do? In phase two, you develop a plan which you are going to use to execute your project. Then you assess the risks which are associated with that project. You also come up with a budget for various tasks of a project. In phase three, you are trying to execute, or you are putting your project on the ground. And on that one, you are ensuring that whatever you planned is the thing, those are the things which you are doing on the ground. In phase four, that is where you are trying to deliver the final product. So on that one, you are doing the reviews and you are looking at those successes and the failures. And if there are some issues which can affect your reputation, you also need to manage them at this particular stage. And if there are some other tasks which should be done after your project has already been delivered, you also make sure that you assign them. So for example, you had a borehole project. Once you finish digging your borehole, you deliver it to the community. There will be issues of maintenance which should be done after executing your project of digging a borehole. So those issues of maintenance, you need to assign different team members who will be managing such issues. We need to understand that a project is a temporary task. That means it has got a date when it is going to start and the date when it's going to end. Examples are those ones: building a schoolhouse and other structures, or launching a new product, whether an online product or offline product. Project management helps to save time and money, just because there are issues of deadlines as well as issues of budgets. They will help you to avoid mistakes because there is that proper planning when you follow project management. Every team member understands what he or she is supposed to do in a project. The key success factors of a project are as follows. Number one, you need to have clear goals for doing your project. Then you need to have a good plan which you are going to follow when executing your project. There should be good communication between the team members who are working on a project. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video.